Here's another Maths with Patty video where we state a theorem and do an example, always in less than 5 minutes. So today we are going to talk about the quotient rule. Okay, so this is a rule from calculus that allows us to compute the derivative of a quotient function. So state the theorem. So we can say that d dx of a quotient function, which can be expressed as f of x all over g of x. Okay, this will be equal to, so the g of x multiplied by the derivative d dx of f of x, and then we will subtract f of x by the derivative d dx of g of x. Okay, and then this is all over the g of x all to be squared. Okay, so alternatively, we can use prime notation, okay, which is a little bit more succinct. So prime notation. So using prime notation, we can just say a quotient function like f over g prime is equal to g by f prime minus f by g prime all over g squared. Okay, so all we need now is we know the quotient rule. Let's do an example. So let me get another screen up here. Bear with me. Okay, so we want an example of a quotient function. So e dot g, we want to compute the derivative d dx of the quotient function x squared minus 1 all over x to the 4 plus 1. Okay, so we want to know what this is. So I think using the prime notation is the easiest. So we can just say that the function f is equal to the function that's on top, x squared minus 1. So I think it's convenient to compute the derivative now, so because we'll need that later. So f prime will be equal to 2x by the power rule, and then we know the function g is the function on the bottom, so that's x to the 4 plus 1, and we will want to know g prime, so g prime is just equal to 4x cubed. Okay, so now we can quite easily compute the derivative of the quotient function. So f all over g prime will be equal to the function g, which is x to the 4 plus 1 by the derivative of f. So we've computed that as 2x prime minus f, which is x squared minus 1 by g prime, which is 4x cubed. Okay, 4x cubed. And this is all over the g function to be squared, which is x to the 4 plus 1 squared. Now that answer is 100% correct. You don't need to do anything else with it really, but we'll just multiply it out for a little bit of fun. So first we will get 2 times x to the 5 plus 2x. Then we will subtract, just put a bracket here, so it'll be 4x to the 5 minus 4x cubed. Okay, all over. If we multiply the x to the 4 plus 1 squared, if we just multiply that out, we will get x to the 8 plus 2 times x to the 4 plus 1. So yeah, so we can just leave it as that. And an example for you guys is e dot g. Just figure out what the derivative with respect to x is of 2x plus 1 all over x cubed minus 1. Okay, you can read that. Best of luck. This was Maths with Patty. See you later.